Mixture. As we look around, we can see most of the materials exist as mixtures of two or more pure substances. Mixtures are the substances which contain more than one component. The different substances that are present in a mixture are known as its components or constituents. The components spread over the mixture uniformly, and each part of that mixture has the same properties. Such a mixture is called homogeneous mixture. When we dissolve salt in water, its particles evenly spread in water, forming a homogeneous mixture. Air is also a homogeneous mixture. In certain mixtures, the components are not evenly spread throughout a mixture, and each part of the mixture does not have the same properties. Such a mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, a mixture of sand or chalk in water, or smoke mixing with air near a factory.